Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today's episode is buzzing with excitement as Apple drops a surprise bombshell for all iPhone 14 users. Stick around as we dive into the latest innovation that might just save lives and revolutionize the way we perceive emergency service on a smartphone. Hey you with the iPhone 14, did you know that Apple has extended the emergency software satellite for an extra year, making it a total of 2 years of free assist? That's right, this incredible features allows you to contact emergency services even when you are off the grid, ensuring safety in the most remote location. Now you might wonder, how on earth does this work without a cellular signal? Well, Apple has ingeniously integrated GPS and software to guide you to the satellite. Imagine being lost in the wilderness. Your iPhone 14 becomes your lifeline, connecting you to help with just a few taps. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about emergencies. Apple Find My app enables you to share your location with friends and family when you are out of cellular range. Plus, in the US, they have introduced roadside assistance via satellite, like you to in case of a car trouble. This isn't just a gimmick, it's saving lives. Apple reported incidents like rescuing a man whose car plunged over a 400-foot cliff in Los Angeles. The satellite service was the hero here, and who knows, it might be your hero too on unforeseen circumstances. So, to all iPhone 14 and 15 users out there, rejoice! You have got a remarkable safety net for the next couple of years. Kudos to Apple for yet another groundbreaking features that's not just cool but genuinely impactful. Thanks for tuning in, tech aficionados. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling tech updates. And as always, stay curious and stay safe out there.